Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the 3 pairs of the soft shoes that my wife got. So let's go ahead and unbox this. In case you guys don't know, this is pretty high quality shoes. If you guys don't want the cheap shoes, the first pair, second pair, then third pair, it says handmade, luxuries, natural, feminine, comfortable. Softshoe.com. Thank you for your purchase. XO Sofft. And here's the instruction on how to return in case it doesn't fit right. So 2 pair of them were $99.99 original price, and then with those pair they were 50% off, which is $50 plus $4.37 for the tax. So the total become $54.36 for those 2 pair. There's another pair that's more expensive, which is $109.99. So you take 50% off, become $55 plus $4.81 for the tax. So that pair become $59.80. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Show you guys a 360 view of the box. It says since 1929. And it is made in China. So this one's Paisia, black color, size 8, or Euro size 39. It says medium, black color. Alright, so this pair is the most expensive one of all. Regular price $109.99. So you got this rubber also right here. So it is non-slip. Got the zipper with the pull tab right here on the rear. Yeah, let me turn on the flash. It's so dark, can't even see inside there. So, all right. So inside you got the Sofft since 1927, and then inside, right here, it says natural leather lining. And you got the air ventilation hole right here. It is plush, which is give you more comfort. And also right here on the front of the toe box, it's a pretty soft material. Also on the back of the heel, it is actually the whole insole is padded. And right here on the midsection right here, it's elastic right there. And then this is the other side of it. This one's a pretty high heel right here. It adds to what? Probably 3 inches or more. So yeah, this one's pretty high quality made. You don't see that much of the glue, except right here a little bit, but some other one they do like a sloppy job. Leather upper lining and balanced mint material. Alright, so let's put this out of the way. Let's go ahead and check this one out. This one's Marlin cockneck, size 8. Wow, look at these, pretty good. Got the buckle right here, 3 different buckle with the adjustable. And then you got the, right here you got elastic band right there. Also right here. So right here by the toe, it is not elastic, so. Wow. And you got the zipper right here with the pull tab. So in case you kind of getting tired of, it is pretty time wasteful if you need to, take this belt out and then adjust to the different size. There are 4 different size, actually 5 different holes right there for to adjust the size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the bottom strap as well. So if you just unzip this to take out your foot. That's nice. Because sometimes I was complaining about taking in and out, So it's easy zip and unzip. Maybe you need to put some wax. This is pretty new and hard to zip. Yeah, and you probably put some candle wax to make it easier. And then this is the other side of it. All right. So again, this is the insole is pretty plush and padded, as you can see. Oops. So that's why she keep on buying this, because it's comfortable, and then it lasts pretty long. So check out the last pair. Oops, what am I doing? So let's check out this one. Refining comfort. Yeah. And this one's the Miley Brown's color. Wow, look at this one. Take this one out. Got the elastic band right there as well. And then there's a loop. Yeah, so all of them has this padded insole. There's a little glue right here, but anyway. I was just talking about the high quality, what happened. There's a glue right here too. Alright, last time you guys tell me to try it on feet, but unfortunately it is too small. I cannot try it on for you guys to check it out. So there you go. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.